marketing is everything you do that gets your ideal prospects to know you, like you, trust you. Marketing is not sales. Great marketing improves sales anyways, but marketing is not sales, right? So what do? How do I put myself in front of my customers in the best way possible? How do I put myself in front of my customers in the best way possible? Very, very important, because it's not just about putting yourself in front of your customers. It's about doing it in the best way possible, right? To ensure that whatever it is I'm doing in front of my customers can achieve these three things. It can get them to know me and know how good I am at what I do, to like me, and to trust that I can deliver based off of what their expectations, are, right? So how do you market? Here at LIMBsimple, we have a module at the Strategy Factory where we talk about the 11 marketing channels, right? So that would get to you if you come to class, Strategy Factory. But the key here is that marketing is a skill that we need to build.